Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not quite sure what I mean when I say 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video there. So go to that link and I will explain in detail. I'll be honest, this one caught me off guard. The last I saw it, the price was looking something like this, but I remember seeing on the scanners, wow, BNGO, what a comeback. I mean, up well over 100%. And then all of a sudden, I just pulled it up to do the chart, and I see this. And, I mean, the chart basically got totally wrecked. I mean, I'm not trying to rub salt in the wounds, but that was a nasty, nasty period. I'm not willing to call it a total pump and dump on the day, and I'll explain that here in a second. But, yeah, all those gains were quite literally wiped out, which is just a very rough situation. So definitely a bummer. And like I said, it totally caught me off guard because this thing was looking so powerful for the majority of the day. But the reason why I'm not willing to call it a pump and dump is because the price is still up above this $1.65 mark. Why is the $1.65 important going forward and a very key level of support? Well, if the price were to come down to $1.65, which doesn't seem unreasonable at this point in time, and then just continue on down through it, what would that be doing to the price? Well, at that point in time, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was before the big breakout occurred today. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is not going to go back to where it was, right? It's going to make at least some sort of form of progress forward. Whereas at least if the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and started to work its way back upwards, at that point, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, at least you'd have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. But as far as, now I should take note that this is all about perspective, meaning if you're some sort of day trader and you bought there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes, then yeah, you definitely don't care about the $1.65 mark. So I'm certainly making these comments geared more towards somebody with a more general type viewpoint of the chart. But anyway, look at it, $1.65 is a must-hold level because if the price does not hold above it, then that literally has implied that the price made a great move, and then all of a sudden the price is right back to where it started, and that is the epitome of a pump and dump. So a lot of eyeballs going to be on that $1.65 mark next week, so let's see if the price can stay above it or not. But yeah, overall, a brutal day, and I thought I was going to be talking about things in a much different fashion, but it is what it is. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.